next from Josh. Josh says, oh, it's a good one. All right, so Josh says, what type of product did you start with, Neil, on Amazon? What was your experience in getting it to market and then selling it? All right, so I started selling on Amazon 7 years ago, something like that. And I had come from a very, very successful career as an affiliate marketer. And I had gotten myself to be one of the top 100 affiliates in the world. And I was making a quite significant amount of money as a super affiliate, 7 figures plus. Like it was, it was a lot of money anyway. And so when I started an Amazon business, I don't mind telling you, I thought my shit didn't stink. I really, really thought I would blitz it on Amazon. I thought I was going to instantly be a billionaire, and that all of the skills I had from affiliate marketing and all the shit I knew from that would mean that I would just absolutely crush it on Amazon. So it was quite humbling in my first year to know that I actually lost all of my money. All of the products I tried to launch failed spectacularly, and nothing I did worked at all, and which was very, very humbling. I don't mind telling you. So I felt like I had to start from ground zero. Even though I'd come from this digital marketing background, Amazon is so different, the way it works. And so because of that, I started from base. And I almost quit. It's like in the first year, and my wife Natasha will tell you this, I almost quit. And it was only because I remember really, really well, I had this, this period where I just launched this product. I thought I'd nailed it this time, and it was like my 3rd or 4th product. I thought I'd nailed it. I did this whole kind of whiz-bang launch thing that I thought would be friggin' awesome, and it was just a spectacular failure. Didn't work at all. If anything, it was like the anti-working thing. And the next day after that, I was pretty low. I went to Natasha and we had lunch together, and I said, Tash, I think I'm done with this. I don't want to do this fucking Amazon thing anymore. It's bullshit. It doesn't work. I'm sure I said that. It doesn't work. Amazon doesn't work. It's just bullshit. And my wife's pretty smart, a lot smarter than I am, fortunately. And she said, look, just give it a little bit of time. You can make it work. Just give it another shot, and try something different. And fortunately, that next time, it wasn't an amazing success, but at least it worked. It didn't lose money, so in that respect, it did work. And I felt like as well, the failures that I had really did prepare me for success, because I knew all of the ways it wouldn't work. I really got, and I understood why it didn't work as well. That's the great thing about failure, it's your greatest teacher. You tend not to learn anything at all from success. It's from things not going right that you get the greatest lessons and the greatest learning. When things go right, you don't really learn much at all. But when things go wrong, you tend to learn a shitload of stuff. So my first 4 or 5 products were just a mega failure. I lost all my money. I thought it was bullshit. And my wife talked me around, and luckily she did, because it started to come good after that. But that doesn't mean that things don't fail still. Like, I still have shit doesn't work. We launched, I was telling my Amazon coaches the other day, we launched a product into the Japanese market, and the character for feces, which is a very nice way of saying shit, is a very, very similar character to another Japanese character that also means glowing skin. And we had launched a skincare range into Japan, and our translator had unfortunately confused some characters. And so basically what our listing in Japan for our skincare said was, rub this cream onto your skin for shitty skin. Like, because we wanted to say for glowing skin, because they're obsessed with glowing white skin. But what it actually said was for shitty skin. So, you know, we still make mistakes now. That doesn't stop. But you've got to laugh them off and just kind of get back on the horse and get on with it. So I don't know if that really answers your question, Josh, but it's important to know that things do go wrong. The idea is you get back on the horse and you get back in the game. You get back in the game. Don't do as I nearly did, where I nearly quit. I mean, imagine if I would have nearly quit. I mean, it's just beggars belief what a difference Amazon's made to my life, to my finances, to my freedom now. I nearly quit that. That's just insane to think about it. I nearly quit that. I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I didn't. And I'm glad that my shitty skincare cream. Could you imagine doing that? That's so hilarious, isn't it? I can laugh about it now. I was so mad at the time. Holy shit. Anyway, there you go. Hope that helps, Josh. Hope that helps. And if it doesn't help, I hope it puts into context for you that this is just a game. It's all just a game. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. Switch soon.